Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group will present about AI impact analysis on an organization or industry. Our group chose AI in food delivery service, which is GrabFood. Okay, my name is Tara Fariha binti Mak Jusof.
And my name is Nur Syah Izzati binti Muhammad Fazal.
My name is Siti Nur Syairah binti Kamal Zurai.
My name is Fatin Amira Natasha binti Muhammad Amir.
My name is Siti Nur Hayhada binti Mustafa. Introduction. GrabFood is one of the leading food delivery platforms in Southeast Asia that connect customer, restaurant and delivery riders through one application. GrabFood use AI technology such as food recommendation system, delivery route optimization, demand forecasting, and chatbot for customer support. The use of AI help improve service quality, reduce delivery time, and provide a more personalized user experience.
Okay, next for organization and industry overview. Grab is a leading super app in Southeast Asia that provides services such as e-hailing, food delivery, and digital payments. GrabFood connects customers, restaurants, and delivery riders on one digital platform and operates in several Southeast Asian countries. Okay, artificial intelligence plays an important role in GrabFood's operations. AI analyzes real-time data to forecast demand, optimize routes, and manage dispatch times. Okay, this help reduce delivery time and operational costs. AI also enhance customer experience through personalized recommendations and target promotion while supporting merchants with analytics and demand forecasting tools. Okay, overall, AI strengthen GrabFood's competitiveness and support long-term business growth. Next.
AI application user. Grab is a digital platform that offers transformation and food delivery service through GrabFood. Payment can be made using bank card, e-wallet or cash. GrabFood is suitable for busy individuals such as workers, students and families. GrabFood simplifies daily activity and support the growth of local business. It offers promotion, discount and free delivery. Impact AI on daily operation. The impact of AI on daily operation can make it easier of user to make choice and help restaurant increase sale. GrabFood can allocate enough delivery partner and help restaurant prepare early. AI support dynamic and flexible practice based on demand, delivery distance and waiter condition. AI produce detailed business performance analysis through data report.
Impact on decision making. AI helps GrabFood make faster decisions by analyzing data such as customer orders, rider location, and traffic condition. The system can automatically assign the nearest rider and suggest food based on customer preference. Next.
Okay, for strategic impact and digital transformation, GrabFood strategic impact comes from its digital transformation into a super app powered by artificial intelligence. AI plays a key role in analyzing real-time data to forecast demand, allocate drivers efficiently, and reduce delivery time. At the same time, AI enhance personalization by recommending restaurants and promotion based on users' preference, which increase customer satisfaction and repeat purchase. Overall, this data-driven ecosystem give Grab a strong competitive advantage and support long-term growth and profitability. Next.
Impact on people and job roles. AI in GrabFood affect rider, restaurant and employees. Rider receive order automatically through the system, while restaurant can use sale data to understand customer demand. AI also reduce repetitive tasks for employees. Next.
Okay, next is challenge, risk and ethical issue. One is data privacy. GrabFoods must protect user personal data such as location and payment information. Next, algorithm dependency. Riders depend on the AI system to receive delivery orders. And third, algorithm bias. Some restaurants may appear more often in recommendation than others. And then job automation. This AI may reduce some routine job roles in the organization. And last one is system errors and technical issue may cause delivery delays or incorrect decision. And next slide. Next is recommendation and future improvements. First, improve data security. Stronger security system need to protect user data, and then algorithm transparency. The AI system should be fair and transparent to all users. And then system monitoring. AI system should be regularly monitored and update. And then digital training. Works, riders and machine should receive digital skill training. And last one is ensure AI ethical AI use. Human supervision is important to ensure responsibility at AI decision.
In conclusion, artificial intelligence AI have improved the efficiency and performance of GrabFood's operation. It allows the platform to analyze data, optimize delivery route, predict demands, and provide personalized recommendations to customers. Overall, AI makes GrabFood service faster, more efficient, and more convenient, while helping the company remain competitive in the detailed food delivery industry.
That's all from our group. Thank you.